The financial aid bookstore release is assigned to students when a Title IV federal financial aid authorization needs to be completed. If you have received a notification email to complete this task, you will need to complete the authorization in Student Self-Service. The email you receive will direct you to self-service, or you can log into self-service as you normally do. From the student homepage, the task tile will display a to-do and a hold that has been placed on your account. To review to-dos and holds, click on the task tile. On the to-do list, the financial aid bookstore release task will display. To view the hold associated with this task, click on the holds area on the left-hand side of your screen. A No Title IV Authorization hold displays. Click on the hold to view a complete description of the hold. After reviewing the hold, click on the X to close the box. Once the student completes the assigned task, this hold will be removed. To complete the financial aid bookstore release task, navigate to the To-Do section in the upper left-hand corner of your screen. Click on the Financial Aid Bookstore Release. This will display the task and the authorization you are required to complete. There are 3 steps to complete the task. Step 1 is information only about the Title IV Federal Financial Aid Authorization. It is important to read this page carefully to understand the authorization you are completing. Once you have finished reading, click Confirm to move to the next step. Click on Next in the upper right-hand corner. In the second step, you must accept or decline the authorization. Read carefully and choose to accept or decline. Once you have made your decision, the Printable Page button will be activated and you can print the agreement. To proceed to the final step, click Next in the upper right-hand corner. The final step is to submit the form. It is important to complete this final step in the process to complete the task. Click on Submit. After submitting the form, you will notice that each of the 3 steps are completed. To return to the home page, click the Action List icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen and select Home. On the home page, the task tile will now display 1 less to-do and hold, or no task and holds if that was the only task assigned. After completing this task, this removes the No Title IV authorization hold from your account. That's it. You've successfully completed the assigned task to accept or decline the financial aid bookstore release form.